Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a ULEFONE Armor X7 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find the display. Now let's tap on the wallpaper section, and as you can see, we can either choose something from either the photos, where you've got your own gallery and you can set basically your photo as a wallpaper, or wallpapers which are pre-installed. So let me choose this option, so let me tap on it, and as you can see right here, we can check the preview of the particular wallpaper. Here we've got the list of them, so simply tap on the one you'd like to use and then tap on set wallpaper in the left upper corner. Now you can decide where you want to set it, so the home screen, lock screen, or both, and I will pick both options, so let me tap on it. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.